This is the motor for the endless pool generator. B and I are gonna build a storage box to keep it out of the weather. This is one of her favorite things, so she's gonna be helping me with this. And it's gonna be a little father-daughter project here. So let's see how it goes. My 11-year-old daughter has been helping me set up our new pool for the last 2.5 weeks. We took down the old one, put up a new one, and cut a deep spot into it, then glued it all together. After that, we extended the deck over 6 feet to give us a little more space. All these projects she was a tremendous help with. But the last thing that we needed to do is hook up the endless pool generator. It makes the whole pool into a circular current, adding a fun dynamic force for goofing around in the water. It's truly one of her favorite things. The fun of getting this current maker hooked up again is motivation for hard work and learning construction better than money. I think we should take a nap.
I think we should swim.
Nap.
I'm bigger than you!
Why is it always resort to physical violence? I'll get a brush and help. You want to make sure you get this edge. I remember doing all kinds of projects with my father, and for all kinds of different reasons. Sometimes it was trying to make money for a skateboard or bicycle parts. Sometimes it was just because I wanted to be with him, so I had to help do what he was doing. But the times that I learned the most is when I had a special wanting of getting the job done. Like when he helped me make a wood model of the Mayflower for a school project. We didn't have a kit or even a plan, just a picture in the Encyclopedia Britannica and some scrap wood. Even though I was in the 2nd grade, I learned so much about working with wood and using tools. All right, good. Now let's do the electrical, okay?
Okay.
10/3. The 10 stands for the thickness of the wire, and the 3 stands for the number of them. So we need a 10/3 cord.
Okay.
So let's go see if we can find one.
Does it matter the colors?
No, the colors don't matter. B, when you finish putting that plug on, put it through that hole. Can you do that? All right, I'm gonna run these over to the far side of the deck over there. No, I'm almost positive you should do this, but too late, I'm already in here.
Okay, I am about half your size, though.
I know. These crawling jobs are usually for the little ones.
Wait, Dad, let me just meet you on the other side and pass them through.
I think I'm just gonna go through here and be done.
Okay, don't hurt yourself. Think of a survivor challenge.
Yeah.
Dang, I really should have done that.
Okay, it's stuck.
Now try. Okay, no, that's as far as it goes.
Cut. But if I confused
The green and
the
the black?
green and a white or black, then it wouldn't work. And that little thing would just click off every time. Is that Mom up there?
Yeah.
Hey, that's a pretty good job. All right, now swing that yellow part up. There's a notch on the yellow one that goes into that thing.
Oh, I see. Push into it.
One thing in particular that I remember from the Mayflower project was making the long tapered mast. My dad improvised a lathe by putting a long piece of wood in the chuck of the drill press. Then I sanded it round as it spun. I was blown away with the material transformation and how it matched the vision in my mind's eye. Working with wanting is working with the active question, what do I need to learn in order to get the job done?
Once it's in, happy things will happen.
Ooh.
Now, why are you wearing socks right now? Whoa, 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 okay.
Whoa,
It's
all
going
right.
in.
It's happening, it's happening.
Well, I guess that's nice.
All right.
It's in. Yay!
You want to hold this or do you want to get the
I'm
thing
gonna hold this. Look at, I can video and hold this at the same time.
right? Now, these have to be tight because there's a lot of pressure from the oil in there.
I'll work on these.
Yeah.
There. I know how we not use them.
Oh, put it in the crack. I've never seen that technique before. And we got it hooked up. And this is the maiden voyage here. Let's see what she does. Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright, so between the deep spot and that current maker we commonly call is the blower, we have a lot of fun in this pool. She's been really looking forward to this. Worked all yesterday and all morning. It's actually 2:30 to get this thing going. And now it's time for me to put my suit on and cool down. Alright, I'm coming in. Look at the blower, Mom. It is as if the wanting of the direct results of the work was the catalyst for learning that can't be replaced with exterior motivations like money or praise. I don't remember anything that I was supposed to learn in the 2nd grade, but the construction of that Mayflower with my dad is ingrained in my memory. I'm convinced that this type of wanting is a critical component for learning, and I will promote it at every opportunity. I had a wonderful time with my daughter. Because of her desire for the product, I was able to teach her some construction skills, which I value and I hope she does too. Check this one out about other fun projects we've done. Thanks for watching.